In this video, I'll show you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. Bullet points are one of the easiest ways to make a slide cleaner and easier to read. Google's official Slides help says you can add a bulleted list from the toolbar, and if the button is hidden, you can also use the Format menu. Google also notes that on smaller windows, some list controls may be tucked under the More button in the toolbar. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and go to the slide where you want the bullet points. If you don't already have a text box, click inside an existing placeholder or add a new text box and place it on the slide. Once your cursor is in the text area, click the bulleted list button in the toolbar. Then start typing your first point. Every time you press enter, Google Slides adds another bullet on the next line. If you don't see the bullet button in the toolbar, use the top menu instead. Click Format, then go to Bullets and Numbering and choose Bulleted List. Google says this is another built-in way to turn plain text into bullets and choose a bullet style. There's also a faster keyboard method. Google Docs Editor's Community Guidance points to Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 as the shortcut to turn bullets on or off for selected text in slides. This is useful when you want to work quickly without going back to the toolbar every time. Now let's talk about customizing the bullets. Google says you can click an existing bullet and then go to Format Bullets and Numbering and choose a different bullet type. You can also use more bullets to pick a different symbol if you want a custom look. If you want to change the bullet color, Google says to click the bullet or highlighted list and use text color in the toolbar. If you want to create sub-bullets, press Tab on a new bullet line to indent it under the main point. Community guidance for Docs editors shows this as the usual way to create a lower level bullet. To move it back to the main level, use Shift plus Tab. So the steps are simple. Click in a text box, choose the bulleted list button, type your first point, press enter for more bullets, and use format or text color if you want to change the style. That's how to add bullet points in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.